Welcome to the 2019-2020 course registration tutorial. This year, all 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students will have an opportunity to make course requests for this upcoming school year. In an effort to expedite the registration process, students will be logging into their Infinite Campus to enter their own course selections. All students must know their own username and password in order to complete the process. If students do not know this information, they can ask the middle school office or Media Center for assistance. Students will not be able to use their parents' Infinite Campus username and password. Step 1. Signatures. Students are asked to please enter their full first and last name, parent's name and daytime phone, as well as parent signature and date. Students cannot register unless a parent's signature is present on the form the day of registration. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the registration form for this year's 5th grade students. These are the courses that they will have this coming year as incoming 6th graders. Required core courses. They are Math, Science, English, Social Studies, Physical Education, Transitions, and Bears. Required exploratory courses. These courses will automatically be generated into a student's schedule. Art, Facts, STEM, STEM Science and Engineering, and STEM Technology and Math, General Music and Math Application. Step 2. Optional music courses. Students will have the option of selecting one or both of the following courses which are band and choir. Students may also elect not to take a music option. If they choose to take band or choir or both, they're asked to place a check mark next to the appropriate course. If the student is going to take band for the first time, they're asked to place a check mark here, along with the instrument choice. This information will be given to our band instructor so she is aware of how many incoming first-time band students she will have. Please note, make this selection carefully, as we may not be able to make changes to your music selection after the registration process is completed. If changes are possible, they will only be allowed at semester time. Step 3. Elective courses. Students will have the ability to take the following courses in lieu of a music selection or opposite of a music selection. These courses run for one semester as a skinny. Students taking both music option, band, or choir will not select from any of the following. Students taking only one music option, band, or choir will rank all 4 according to preference, with 1 being highest and 4 being lowest. Students taking no music selection will rank the following courses according to preference, 1 being highest and 4 being lowest. We ask that all parents and students please take a moment to go to the course registration guide so that they may familiarize themselves with these new courses. The middle school office will make every effort possible to ensure that all students receive the courses that they have selected. However, official schedules may not include all courses if an intervention course needed or class sizes do not allow. If along the way you have questions pertaining to the registration process, please do not hesitate to contact the middle school office. We are making every effort possible to make this as smooth a process as possible.